Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to integrate delivery in Woocommerce. First step is choose a delivery plugin. Woocommerce supports various delivery and shipping plugins to manage logistics efficiently. Choose one based on your needs. You can install it by navigating to plugins, add new in your WordPress dashboard, searching for the plugin, clicking install now, and then activate. Second step is configure delivery settings. Go to Commerce, go to Settings, and click on Shipping. Add a shipping zone, example regions or country you deliver to. Assign shipping methods to each zone. Third step is add delivery options at checkout. Customize the delivery experience by offering delivery date and time slots using a plugin like Order Delivery Date for WooCommerce, providing live shipping rates with plugin linked to carriers, setting up order tracking for customers via integration like AfterShip. Test your checkout process to ensure customers can select their preferred delivery options. Last step is optimize the workflow. Sync WooCommerce with delivery partners or carriers. Use plugins like WooCommerce Shipping or ShipStation for label printing, tracking, and order updates. Link your store to local delivery app if needed. Monitor and manage orders in WooCommerce. Go to Orders, update order statuses, processing ship, and then notify customers with tracking details, and that's basically it.